As much as you will be studying here, you will also be living here, and I think that's an important factor to consider.
There are 13 accommodations at Warwick, and it was quite hard to decide which one to go for.
For me, accommodation wasn't really a key aspect of my decision-making process. I always had the kind of mindset that all universities had similar types of accommodation, and so I didn't really look at it. And then once I'd chosen Warwick, I used a lot of online tools to help me choose my accommodation preferences.
If you look online, the breakdown, there's lots of different prices and availabilities of different places that you can choose. There's normally an option for everyone. You can really pick what you think would be best suited for you.
I looked at some YouTube videos as well. There are a few YouTubers who review accommodations, show you around, and actually the university has its own YouTube channel, which has like a little video for each individual accommodation.
So I used the virtual online room tours that are available for some of the accommodations, and I also used a campus map which shows where all the accommodations are.
But at the same time, I like my quiet time. So I clicked the box when you apply for accommodation. There is a box to click for if you like to have a quiet room. And I clicked that and they put me on the top floor. So I'm grouped with people who are quiet. But if I want to party, I can go downstairs.